Hi folks, this is Nachiket signing in for today's topic soil investigation for foundation. So let us understand the various types of soil investigation process for foundation. Remember, we are doing this exercise for low risk building and buildings that are built from scratch under the primary topic site visit. So, based on the pricing part, what are the types of soil investigation? There are two types of pricing technique. One is low cost technique, and second is costlier technique. Remember, as we are doing it for low cost means low risk building cases, 90% of the cases you will be finding out residential clients who cannot afford a costlier part to investigate their soil. So the best way to help them out is getting low cost technique to understand the soil conditions. Okay, so this is it. The low cost techniques, the various low cost techniques are ask the nearby pre-existing owner. You can see here, this is a plot, and just beside that one building is being constructed. You can just approach the owner or the contractor of that building. You can ask them what kind of soil they found out while digging out. Okay, so this is the most easiest way of getting the work done. Okay, and second is study the water boring debris. This is one of the primary activity. You are going for a borewell part. If there's no municipality supply to your land, you're opting for a borewell. Okay, so while you are getting this equipment onto your site, you can ask the person who is operating this machine. You can ask them what kind of soil they just got across while digging. Okay, so this is one part. Then in the third part, check where the basic tools and tackles. Just as I said you, in our site visit preparation, I asked for taking some shovel, then sledgehammer. So this is it. What you can do is very simple. You can take this shovel, dig some part, and after that continuously put or hit its bottom to the sledgehammer 25 times repeatedly. If it is easy to dig out, if the shovel is getting inside very quickly, then understand that the soil condition is bit loose. But if you are hitting it hard and still the shovel is not getting inside very quickly, then understand that the soil condition is dense. If it is not at all getting inside, then think that after 1 feet or 2 feet there is rocky strata out there, so it's difficult to dig out. Okay, so this is one thing. And in the fourth part, excavate a sample pit, take some local laborers out there, take their help, and just dig a foundation pit, sample pit, uh, and basis on this sample pit you can understand what kind of soil. You can see here, you can see cracks out there in the side walls. It's going to collapse very soon, and the water table is very low, means hardly in 2 feet you can find out this water table. So here we had to opt out for piling. If you're going for normal isolated foundation, it's okay, you can go for a well kind of foundation. Even that will be covered in our next sessions. And the most easiest part is after digging this sample pit, you can go for a core cutter test or a sand replacement test. You can conduct this at the site. Hardly it will cost 3000 to 4000 if you are opting out for a soil investigation team to your site. So this is the cost basically. Okay, and if you go for a costlier technique, you are completely calling out to a people who are basically expertised in soil investigation part. So they will come and they will conduct this three tests on your site. The first two is kind of a collection. First is a test, second is a collection, and third is a report. Okay, so what is the first part? That is SPT, standard penetration test, will be done over in the site. Even that result will be published in your last report. And second is they will be collecting soil sample bore log report in this form. In the tray they will be collecting in sequence, uh, what after meter what kind of soil sample they collected. They will be just collecting in this box, and they will be studying the geomorphical, they will be doing the geological study of such kind of soil sample. Okay, so based on that also they will be giving report. And third is the last one and very important, And here are the reports out here. If it's into 0 to 400, it's very poor, it's a kind of pit or organic soil. If it is in the 1500 lb per square feet, then it's medium. Silt is medium. Sand, then sand, gravel with fines, then gravels, bedrock. So in case of hard rocky strata, you'll be getting out around 3000 and above. Okay, so such kind of soil samples are basically required to understand the conditions for which you need to design your foundation. Okay, so based on this soil investigation process, you can identify the soil sample, whether it is coarse, is very coarse or coarse, fine or loam. So in between somehow you will be getting the results. Okay, so in case of very coarse, you'll be getting rock boulders, etc. In coarse, you will be getting sandy gravel, etc. In case of fine, you'll be getting silty or clayey type of soil. And in case of 4, which is very very dangerous for construction purpose, you need to completely replace it, or you need to go for deep foundation, is loam, that is humus or black cotton. You may be finding it out in case of landfills that has been deposited with completely these organic wastes. Okay, so thank you. See you in the next video. That's mobilization works.